Guys, welcome to the Dynatrace, a hands-on course on the most popular features in Dynatrace, implementing, using it your own company, real-world use, and the best practices. Dynatrace enable monitoring your entity's infrastructure, including your host, process, and network. You can perform log monitoring and view information such as total traffic of your network, the CPU usage of your host, the response time of your process, and more. Why should you choose this course? This is a complete and concise tutorial on Dynatrace which can be completed within 1 hour. We know that your time is very important, and hence we have created this fast course without wasting time on irrelevant operations. In this course you will learn all about Dynatrace capabilities, how Dynatrace delivers its capabilities, what can you do with Dynatrace, how does Dynatrace works, part of your enterprise's cloud ecosystems, Dynatrace deployment models, Dynatrace concept, and many more. Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we'll talking about get started with Dynatrace Managed. The Dynatrace Software Intelligence Platform provides an on-premise deployment options called Dynatrace Managed. With Dynatrace Managed, you get automated support from Dynatrace Mission Control team. So, get started with Dynatrace Managed. Step 1 for this is obtain a Dynatrace Managed license. To obtain a license for Dynatrace Managed, contact Dynatrace sales team. Your sales representative will provide you further details. Dynatrace monitoring is licensed based on consumption of various types of monitoring units, which you purchase and consume based on your monitoring needs. Once an agreement is reached, you will receive an email that includes your license details as well as instructions on how to set up a Dynatrace Managed cluster. So these are the obtained Dynatrace Managed license. In the next step, the set up a Dynatrace Managed cluster. So that's all from this lecture. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we'll talking about Dynatrace concepts. The first one is what is a monitoring environment. So basically, your Dynatrace monitoring environment is where all your Dynatrace performance analysis takes place. Dynatrace One Agent sends all captured monitoring data to your monitoring environment for analysis. A monitoring environment is analogous to an analysis server that provides all Dynatrace application performance analysis functionality, including all database, charts, reports, and other tools. Your monitoring environment resides in the Dynatrace cloud unless you are using your on-premise deployment options, Dynatrace Managed. For Dynatrace Managed customers, your monitoring environment is hosted within your own data centers, as you can see in your screen. So these are the monitoring environment. In the next lecture, we will talking about multiple monitoring environments. So that's all from this lecture. Thank you.